If you're diving into order flow, you've probably looked at ATAS, Sierra Chart, and Bookmap. All three go especially deep, but they each approach market data in completely different ways. So let's see what the difference is. Let's begin with ATAS. ATAS is full-featured. It's a trading platform built around volume analysis with native footprint charts, DOM trading, and strategy tools. Sierra Chart is a lightweight powerhouse, highly customizable, and brutally fast, trusted by pros trading futures with tick-level control. And Bookmap throws out the traditional chart and replaces it with a live animated heat map, showing liquidity, absorption, market movement in a way no candlestick has ever done. So, ATAS is a great all-rounder. You get cluster charts, volume profiles, imbalance detection, a clean UI that's easy to learn, and it's easier than Sierra to begin with. It's designed by your full platform, from analysis to execution. Sierra Chart isn't as pretty. Look at the website. It's directly flexible. You can script custom indicators, automate DOM strategies, and run raw data with almost no latency. It's built for traders who want full control. And Bookmap is more visual clarity. You see the actual movement of liquidity. Resting orders, sweeps, icebergs, all animated in real time. It's a companion tool more than a full platform, but unmatched in terms of market depth visibility. So Sierra and ATAS support direct execution. Both work with Rhythmic and CQG and let you trade from the DOM. Bookmap supports execution too, but most traders use it alongside another platform. Sierra's definitely the fastest. Has the steepest learning curve though. ATAS is more user-friendly and Bookmap is more visual, but less hands-on, unless you're scalping with its add-ons. So use Sierra if you want ultimate control and custom setups. Go ATAS if you want strong order flow tools with smoother learning curve, and choose Bookmap if you want a visual edge and already have your execution elsewhere.